Summer is a season with a magic of its own. There's a wildness in summer that is unparalleled, enticing me to walk out my door and run barefoot through the grasses and creeks and meadows. Summer is full of abundant wildflowers, vibrant greens, wildlife enjoying the bright and warm sunshine, sweet breezes carrying the scent of ripe berries and blooming flora, and sun fairies dancing in the golden light. I've grown to love summer and seek out the unique magic it holds, and in this video, I wanted to share 10 things to inspire you to seek out its magic too. Number 1. Wake up early to see the sunrise and enjoy the beauty of summer mornings. There is something different about summer sunrises. There's a brightness of color to them, a gentle cheeriness in them that makes me not want to miss seeing them every morning. The coolness and freshness of the air is also so incredibly rejuvenating that I like to spend my mornings outside as much as I can during this season. With my coffee and maybe a book, I get to watch as the sun's golden rays envelop the trees and garden, and I get to breathe the deep, sweet summer breeze and start my day. Number 2. Go on a nature hike and explore the seasonal flora and fauna. If you are able, find out some local or nearby nature hikes you might explore and bathe in the beauty of nature for an afternoon. If finding a hike is too difficult where you live, then maybe just experience a nice long walk where you notice what's in bloom, what birds are visiting, and what local wildlife you might have. Or, even better if you have the chance, take a weekend to go camping. Immersing yourself in nature for more than a day is more rejuvenating and inspiring than you know. Number 3. Admire the abundant summer flowers by visiting wild or local gardens. Wildflowers and gardens burst with color and sweet perfume throughout the warm summer months. Go take advantage and immerse yourself in a local garden, a wildflower meadow, or even just your neighborhood. I've always loved the quote that says, "The earth laughs and flowers," and that is so very true in the summer season. Number 4. Go wild swimming. There is something about swimming in a lake, river, or ocean that is so much more invigorating and refreshing than just a regular pool. If you have the opportunity to explore a nearby natural body of water that allows for swimming, then enjoy a dip and cool off in nature's pools. Number 5. Adventure to the coast. If you live near the coast, I highly recommend taking a day to spend by the ocean. There's a wildness and a captivating awe that comes with being by the sea, and it can be so healing. The wideness of the ocean, the sand between your toes, the magic in finding seashells, and the majesty of watching the gulls and swallows fly in the wild sea breeze. It's an incredibly inspiring and rejuvenating experience. Number 6. Make a delicious and refreshing drink at home. In the heat of summer, an ice cold drink always sounds good, so why not make something fun at home? Maybe try a unique lemonade by adding lilac, lavender, or fresh strawberries. Or maybe make sun tea. I will leave some recipes below for you to try. Number 7. Bring nature inside and make some summer crafts. If it's too hot to go outside, then maybe bring the outside indoors by making some nature-inspired crafts. Make pressed flower lanterns, flower crowns, floral perfume, or try your hand at making floral ink. There are so many things you can make with natural elements, and I will never tire of adding new ways of decorating my home with them. Number 8. Press summer flowers. Another way to preserve summer's beauty is to press flowers to save for later use. Snip some blooms from your garden or save a few from a bouquet and preserve them by pressing them. You can either use a pre-made press or make your own with some simple supplies. You can also just use a heavy book. You can use the pressed flowers for a later craft and it will remind you of the wonderful memories of summer. Number 9. Go berry picking. Summer is ripe with fruit, and especially berries. If you live near a local farm where you can pick berries yourself, I highly recommend you add that to your list of summer activities. It is so fun to fill a basket or bucket with delicious berries out in the summer sun. You can then use them for baking, or freeze them for later, or even use them for crafts and ink making. Number 10. Stay up and watch the sunset. Just as summer sunrises are beautiful, summer sunsets can be so mesmerizing and bursting with unbelievable color. I like to try to see and enjoy as many as I can during the summer months, as we don't get them as often when the days grow darker and the sky becomes covered in gray, rain-filled clouds. However you decide to spend your time during the summer months, I highly encourage you to spend some of that time outdoors and in nature and experience the magic of the season. Whether that's out in a national park or just outside your front door, there is beauty everywhere we look. It's only a matter of opening our eyes to see it.